along 81 southbound and mile marker.
The snow began to fall about an hour ago,
traveling along the turnpike,
but
you are seeing snowy
it
conditions there
wasn't
as well as we
significant. Like, it was just like little flurries.
interchange, and if you're heading towards the Beltway, we're starting to see traffic
right as soon as I got home, like 3:45,
snowy conditions as
it
well
started to actually snowfall, like
really
actual
slowing
snowfall.
down out there, as you can see, pretty much
So
from 11
here comes the storm. Well, as you can see, maybe you can see, the snow has started to come down. Actually, started to accumulate. Maybe you see like this. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, I can. And no one told me we don't have shovels out here. Great. Pussy feathers. There's only a loaf of bread. As of 2:40 Saturday, the snow is 30 inches outside my door. 28 inches later, it's finally starting to taper off. I mean, doesn't look like it. Finally a plow, first plow I've seen all day. But we have about like an hour left of the storm. And this is the view outside my house. Not fun. It's about 9 o'clock Saturday night, and snow's pretty much tapered off, as you may see now. But so there's no accumulation, but that's the good news, because when I went out to the house on the speedway, cars got stuck. Shockingly, it's still open, but not open, you know what I mean? Because there's no way to get in there, so let's try to get in there. And then when I went to walk around to the rest of the town, so I didn't get the wind knocked out of me. That hurt like a bitch, but on the way home, go get some chicken noodle soup and relax.